time to do firewood, get started on next year's wood pile. When we moved here, I knew we were going to need to be splitting a lot of wood. I also knew I wasn't going to be young forever, so we got a new toy. So I guess part of this video will be a comprehensive review of this thing. This is a 25-ton splitter from Dirty Hand Tools that we got at Lowe's. The reason we got this, a number of reasons. Like I said, I want to be able to split a lot of wood efficiently for a long time without breaking my back. And Lowe's gave us a 10% coupon. You get a 10% coupon whenever you move to a new address. And I got this during Black Friday, so I ended up getting like another 10% off. So we saved a good bit of money on it. So that's why we bought it like 2 months ago. And I'm just now, it's still on the pallet. Haven't opened it, haven't done anything. So we're going to get this unwrapped, hook it up to the four-wheeler. So this thing is pretty heavy, so getting it off here without breaking anything, including my leg, will be interesting. The good thing I like about this, one of the reasons I bought it was, you know, it lifts up, so you can do it vertically or horizontally. This thing supposedly comes with all the hydraulic oil, engine oil, everything you need. I think you just got to put gas in it and fire it up. Yeah, it's full. But I don't think it has fluid all the way through the system. So we got to run the engine, cycle it a few times, get it primed, and then probably add more hydraulic fluid. Some of the reviews I read online said that this is a great machine, but that it doesn't come, like the hoses aren't really tightened up from the factory, and that it tends to leak. So that's something we have to pay attention to and make sure we don't have any leaks. And if we do, we'll just put some plumber tape on it and make sure everything's tightened up. But we'll watch it. First I gotta get it off here. Yeah. She's heavy. Don't go nowhere. Well, it's one way to do it. Okay. Well, they put oil in it. That's good. So I guess we'll just gas her up and see if she works. This is cool. This is a neat little thing. This tube right here holds, I believe, the manual and probably a little toolkit. So if you're out in the woods, all the stuff you need is right there. That's pretty handy. Well, that works.
You have a supervisor.
You supervising?
Yeah.
Seems good to me. It's definitely heavy duty. I'm gonna go get some gas.
What'd you do?
I don't know, it had a lot of pressure in it. So I just hit the lever and relieved the pressure. That seems to work good. I don't see any leaks. Kind of throttled it a little bit to kind of help break it in on the first couple runs. I'll do that to break in the engine. It cycles. The other reason I got this one is it has a fast cycle time. Here's an old pile of oak that was cut probably a year or so ago, maybe 2 years ago. I'm not sure when, but it's going to get split. So let's see, let's test a good big chunk. This one's got a nice big fat knot in it and a branch coming off. This should be good. I don't think that thing will have a problem splitting anything. Sweet. Still no leaks. It's good. Oh wait, what's this? So it is leaking. What they said in the reviews was accurate. It looks like it's the only place. But it is leaking. So you can see the sealant they put in some of these fittings, but not all of them. And where they did not put sealant, that's where it's leaking. So I don't know why they do that, or why they don't put sealant on all the fittings, but if you get one of these, that's definitely something you need to pay attention to when you first cycle it a few times. Triple check all of these fittings and make sure it doesn't leak. I'm going to try and loosen this fitting, put some plumber tape on here, and hopefully fix this small leak. Fuel needs to be off when you move it so you don't flood the engine, which is why they put it on off for the fuel, which is cool. Choke, engine speed. This is the breather valve, so if you got too much hydraulic fluid, it kind of blows out, so you don't want to put too much in or you're just wasting it. Overall, the thing is put together pretty well. Seems to work good. Only problem has been that one little leak. So we're gonna go down to that little pile of oak down there and split some up and see if that leak is fixed. Supposedly you can pull this thing 45 miles an hour. I don't think I would ever try that. But it weighs like 510 pounds, I think, according to the book. Guess you gotta put it on right. There we go. Okay, let's go split some wood. So far so good, man. I'm impressed. This thing split a big round, about that big around. No problems whatsoever. I like the fast cycle time. Heavy duty. I think it's gonna do a lot of work for us and probably be pretty good. Haven't seen any leaks since I fixed this this one spot that was kind of leaking a little bit. Doesn't seem to be leaking anymore, so overall I'll give this a big thumbs up. This is a good splitter. 25-ton dirty hand tools. We're gonna get to work and finish splitting this pile, get it all stacked, and guess we'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching.
That was perfect timing.